What's good, my fellow funny fans? You've just stepped into my YouTube channel, the ultimate playground for construction's most hilarious mishaps. We've raided the internet's darkest corners to unearth clips so absurd you'll wonder if they hired clowns instead of contractors. From scaffolding stumbles to tools with a sense of humor, we're serving laughs daily. Subscribe, comment your own worksite bloopers, and let's build a laugh riot together.
Yo, my giggle gang! How epic were those construction fails? Did my crew of hard hat comedians have you laughing so hard you nearly sent your phone flying like a rogue crane? Hang tight! The clips coming up are so wild, they'll make a cement truck audition for a comedy special. We're talking workers tripping over their own egos and machinery staging their own slapstick show. Leave now and you'll be haunted by the ghost of missed laughs. Smash subscribe, drop your funniest stories, and let's keep the giggles pouring.
That's the end of this wild ride. Hope you had a giggle marathon. Thanks for watching. Meet me at 7 p.m. daily. Catch you later.